Hello, in this video we're gonna check if POCO C40 has a fingerprint sensor. So in order to do this, I need to open the settings. Here find the security or passwords. There should be fingerprint unlock. We need to set up the password first, but we can already confirm that this device has a fingerprint. Now let's just find where it is. So it's on the back of the phone right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.